Quirky, chirpy, and very loving darling of a Bollywood. नहीं समझे? बात कर रहे हैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ इनकी कल की क्वेश्चन। वेल आज ये चंडीगढ़ पहुंचे हैं और यहाँ बात हो रही है पीरियड टैबूज़ को लेकर। सबसे पहले यही जानना चाहेंगे कि व्हाट हर फीलिंग इज़ अबाउट दिस टॉपिक। वेलकम टू डे नाइट न्यूज़। यही जानना चाहेंगे कि व्हाट बीइंग अ किड व्हेन यू वर किड एंड घर में कैसा माहौल रहता था कि पीरियड टैबूज़ एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो हर फैमिली में हर लड़की के साथ एसोसिएट रहती ही रहती है।
जी, मेरी फैमिली में इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं थी। वो काफ़ी खुले थे मेरे साथ। मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरे साथ बात किया अर्ली से। माय मॉम एक्सप्लेन्ड इट टू मी एट अर्ली स्टेज। लेकिन स्कूल में जब पहुंची थी तो वहाँ प्रॉब्लम्स थी। और स्कूल में बहुत मतलब एम्बैरसिंग मोमेंट थी जब पीरियड था। और काफ़ी लड़कियाँ स्पोर्ट्स नहीं खेलती थी जब पीरियड्स थी। और फिर सब लड़कों को समझ में आया कि उस समय गर्ल को पीरियड थी। सो देन दे वुड टीज द गर्ल्स अबाउट इट एंड स्टफ। सो वो होता था। एंड ऑल्सो लड़कों को देयर वाज ऑलवेज दिस फीलिंग दैट दे डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या है ये। उनको डर लगता था कि क्या है ये पीरियड, अरे उसको पीरियड है, वी हैव टू स्टे अवे फ्रॉम हर एंड दे ऑल्सो हैड दिस क्रेजी आइडिया इन their heads कि लाइक blood, खून, क्या है वो, how much blood comes out, they don't have any information. So although girls are told at an early age, I don't think guys are told. So even my brother wouldn't know about it, and he would ask me about it. So I think it's also that much important to tell the guys in school कि ये है, कोई ब्रह्मपुत्र नहीं आ रहा है वहाँ नीचे, and that it's a very normal and basic thing and it's going to happen every month, so deal with it.
कल की ये तो कॉज से बात हुई। आई मीन आपको अक्सर किसी ना किसी योर फाइंड इट टू बी एसोसिएटेड विद कॉजेज। रिसेंटली जब आपने रेप के कैंपेन के साथ यू डिड दैट हिट्स मिलियंस ऑफ व्यूज। सो व्हाट्स योर टेक ऑन ऑल दिस? आई मीन चाइल्ड सेक्शुअल अब्यूज एंड दिस सच काइंड ऑफ इवेंट्स, हाउ यू फाइंड योरसेल्फ टू बी एसोसिएटेड विद these things?
See, I talk about something if I have something to say and I feel passionately about it. And in the case of this rape case that happened in Delhi, the Jyoti Singh rape case, I was very affected by it. मैं उस समय दिल्ली में थी, मैं शूट कर रही थी मार्गरीटास के लिए। और तो मैं प्रोटेस्ट सब देखी और मैं बहुत डिस्टर्ब थी विद द न्यूज़। तो मैंने एक ब्लॉग लिखी और ब्लॉग के बाद AIB दे केम टू मी विद दिस स्क्रिप्ट for this viral video, I mean this video that went viral, and मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी क्योंकि we're always blaming the woman. हम सब बोल रहे हैं कि अरे वो पी रही थी, वो बाहर लड़कों के साथ घूम रही थी या शॉर्ट स्कर्ट पहन रही थी or whatever. So it's enough of that. I mean we live at least in urban India, we are modern enough. I mean we can't have clubs and places and then say that you can't dress a certain way. Then take out the clubs, remove taxes from alcohol, take your alcohol away. The government is making a lot of money from taxing alcohol and cigarettes and all of this. So with that comes a certain liberation, and that liberation needs to be stood up for. And I think that that video was really important for that, I hope.
So next, I just want to know about the Bollywood. I have one question for you. Which movie you signed? Why do it have an English title? Do you feel more close to it? Like,
ये जवानी है दीवानी तो English.
Yeah, those were, title, that was Hindi. But most of the, though, twos were like Shaitan. But Devdi, then your... that girl in the yellow boots, then Margarita, there's an extra, yeah.
Jia और जिया तो है.
Jia is coming, So, what do you think about, do you feel that, title attracts you most?
No, absolutely not. Title usually changes before film releases anyway. Working title होता है और उसके बाद title change होता है. No, बिल्कुल not at all. But I guess the films that I do will be more urban and more English just because of the way I look. तो वो होता है. I can't help it. My first language is not Hindi. So that's there. But no, absolutely not. The story is what's important to me. The characters are what's important to me.
And what about plays? I mean, you're still associated with plays, and you yourself said plays don't pay. So, do you feel like to be more associated with the plays? And recently, you did your trivia of disasters in your hometown. So, how was the all over experience?
It was a great experience. I just came back today actually from there. Or we're going all over North India. I don't know when we're coming to, if we're coming to Chandigarh. We hopefully will be. But we're going now to Nagpur and Lucknow and some other places. So it's very exciting, and I think it's really nice that a play has been taken to this. We're actually getting paid well for this play. So, that's the first time. And I guess that's because, there's celebrities involved in the play, and there's a lot of sponsorship. So great. I hope we can bring theatre back, make it cool again.
So next, the kitty is full with Margarita, and what's next? On and on and on.
So Margarita is done, and now I'm almost done with Georgia with Richa Chadha, and that's like a fun road trip film. And the third film is Happy Endings, which is a comedy with Saif Ali Khan, Ileana D'Cruz. Yeah.
All right. It was pleasure talking to you, and we wish that your, viewers and our audience for sure see you more and more in the films. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. So, as you see, she is all ready for the next upcoming films, and आप इन्हें बहुत सारी फिल्मों में आगे भी देखते ही रहेंगे. With cameraman Mukesh Pandey, this is Zarleen Kaur, NIT News, Chandigarh.
खबरों की दुनिया में आइए, हमारे साथ कहीं भी और कभी भी जुड़िए. हम मिलेंगे फेसबुक पर, हम दिखेंगे यूट्यूब पर, हमें फॉलो कीजिए ट्विटर पर. खबरों के साथ बने रहिए रात दिन.